Hi, M5702. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am and sir. I'm Rodeline Bunayog from Bayabason, Maramag, Bukidnon. I'm happily married. I have 4 children. My eldest is 16 years old, the second is 12 years old, and my third son is 9 years old, and my youngest is 8 years old.
Okay, your religion.
I am a Roman Catholic.
Highest educational
I'm
attainment.
a high school graduate.
Okay, how old are you again?
I'm 39 years old.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience being a helper here in the Philippines since 2005 to 2007, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I'm, take, I'm taking care of newborn baby.
Okay, and other household chores that you do?
I'm also cooking, marketing, washing,
Okay,
and also wash car.
okay. How many car do you car wash?
One only, sir.
One car only. And you have another experience also in your second employer here also in the Philippines, right?
Yes, sir.
Since 2009 to 2011. Tell me about your experience.
I'm taking, I'm taking care of 8 years old baby boy,
Okay? And other household chores that you do?
cooking, washing, and also ironing.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby on your first employer, if you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn?
First, I wash my hands. I wash the bottle and sterilize. Put the milk and put the warm water. Shake it, and test it if warm, and feed the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I check a temperature and feed him and change the diaper.
And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you feed the baby, you also change the diaper, you also check the temperature. Everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work. What will you do?
I call my employer, then I tell her that the baby didn't stop crying.
Okay, you have to call the employer and inform them that the baby doesn't stop to cry. Maybe the babies have a problem or they have the baby has a sick, right? So that your employer will know what happened to the baby.
Sure.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to
You want to?
I want to provide my family needs
Okay.
for my children.
And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I finish my contract. If my employers want me, I stay.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer telling that they were a visitor and ask you to go inside of the house and your employer doesn't at home that day? What will you do?
I call my employer first. If I ask them if they have an unexpected visitor.
Okay. And if they don't have any expected visitor,
I call the police and do not entertain him.
okay, because it's too dangerous to entertain people that your employer doesn't know, right? Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, but
But it
I'm
is-
willing to learn.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook Chinese food?
I watch YouTube and book menu.
You will buy video books.
Menu books.
You can also help your madam and sir if they have a time to prepare foods for themselves so that you could learn, right? And also you could ask them if they could teach you how to prepare Chinese food if they have a time because it's good to be honest to them, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with the helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes, sir.
Taking care of elderly.
It's okay, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer.
Yes, sir.
If there's any instances that one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Hello, ma'am and sir. Please hire me because I'm trustworthy, honest, and I will do my best to serve your loving family with all my heart.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Rodeline. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.